It's quite interesting to see how the everyday things around us are getting manufactured in the industries. These industries have come a long way from the beginning of the Industrial Revolution. However, factories don't just start manufacturing things straight away. There are a number of stages to pass through before you get into actual manufacturing. One such important and crucial stage is prototyping. This is the stage where designers of a product revise, improve, modify, and verify their designs before they commence actual production. This industrial prototyping is very costly. Even a very small change in any part of the prototype will exhaust the budget allocated for the product. That's why very small companies are cautious about making changes to their original design. Moreover, manufacturing companies mostly use subtractive processes. You can think of a milling machine where a steel bar is sliced into many pieces to make a useful product. There will be a lot of material wastage which add to the manufacturing cost. Only in 1980, the concept of additive manufacturing was introduced. Additive manufacturing or rapid prototyping is just another name for 3D printing in the industry. In 1986, the stereolithography apparatus was introduced. In this method, you can create real objects by printing it layer by layer without any material wastage and with extremely high precision. However, all of them were very keen on easing the industrial manufacturing. Only in 2007, 3D printing industry had a breakthrough. A company called RepRap open sourced its 3D printing technology and started selling desktop 3D printers. Immediately, a huge community was built to design, develop, and share their models. This act proved the potential of 3D printers in the consumer market. Today, tons of ready-to-print model files are available on the internet that you can just download and print into a real object. Everywhere, people started building items that catered to their own needs. Researchers believe that 3D printing technology has the potential to change the way we manufacture things. This technology has been there for around 30 years. It has evolved a lot. Today, it is not just used for prototyping. Many industries have started using it in their mainstream production. General Electric started manufacturing home appliances to jet engine parts using this technology. The speed of printing has also increased. Last year, a company in China built around 10 big houses using 3D printers in just 24 hours. The accuracy of 3D printing has increased to print with a resolution of 5 microns, which means you can even print items less than the size of your hair. It is possible to print human tissues with a 3D printer. Medical 3D printers are giving a new dimension to life. Researchers are already printing skin, bladder, and other organs using 3D printing technology. It is also possible to print bones and teeth. These technologies are already there. In the future, if your kidney fails, don't worry. It is possible to design and print a kidney specific only to your body. A little tinkering in the laboratory and a minor surgery, you should be okay. 3D printed prosthetics are becoming popular. People without hands or fingers are now getting new 3D printed hands. Almost all the fields may have to adopt 3D printing in the future. Imagine if you need to purchase a sports shoe. You go to the shop, run for 5 minutes on the treadmill, and the computer in the treadmill scans your feet and immediately prints out a pair of shoes for your feet. It's not science fiction. This technology is already available with Adidas. Adidas is already working on commercializing this technology. Restaurants have started printing food items like chocolate using food 3D printers. Like all other technologies, 3D printing technology has its dark sides. In 2012, a group in the United States designed a fully functional gun with a 3D printer. If you are an artist, you can easily design and 3D print creative items. Let's do something interesting. Let's try printing a replica of the Taj Mahal. I have already designed a 3D model of the Taj Mahal. I will explain you how to design this 3D model in my future videos. Industrial 3D printers can print items using titanium, carbon fiber, gold, silver, wood, etc. But our printer primarily prints using plastic materials. I will just show what can be done now, but we will discuss the technical part in a separate 3D printing tutorial series. I think the printing has finished. Let's check it out. We have just seen what is 3D printing and its capabilities. Do you think 3D printing has the potential to change the way we manufacture things? Will it play an important role in changing our life fundamentally? Well, let's wait and see. I am putting a separate playlist for 3D printing and design. Please check it. Thanks for watching this video. See you again.